I almost forgot the tunes. This is Canada's finest band, and this is a song that always makes me feel grateful. Check it out. Enjoy the walk.
Does it diminish your super capacity to love? Does it diminish your super capacity to love? Walk like a matador. Don't be chicken shit and turn breezes into rivulets. Flamenco sweep the air and weave the sun and stamp your feet for everyone. Does it exhibit your natural tendency to hate? Does it exhibit your natural tendency for hate? Maybe a prostitute could teach you how to take a compliment. Maybe I'll go to New York. I'll drag you there. You said no one drags me anywhere. Does it diminish your super capacity to love? Does it diminish your super capacity to love? To love, to
Gord Downey, may you rest in peace, my brother. Man, thinking about you today, Gordy. Gord Downey, baby. Google that shit.